Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is biochemist Himat Ali Memon and you are watching ASISH Biochemist Coaching Center. In this class, we will discuss about the carbon, properties of carbon, covalent bond and types of covalent bond. So let's start. First one is carbon. Carbon is a non-metallic chemical element. Its atomic number is 6 and atomic weight is 12. And the valency of carbon is 4. Carbon basic Carbon is a basic element of organic compounds. Carbon has a unique properties. Due to those unique properties, carbon occupies the central position in the skeleton of life. Properties of carbon. Carbon form the covalent bond. Carbon is a tetravalency and carbon has a high catenation power. These are the three properties of carbon. First of all, covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Mutually sharing of electron is called a covalent bond. And covalent bond, no complete transferring of electron occur. And covalent bond, atoms share their outermost shell electrons with each other for the completion of their outermost shell. And covalent bond, each atom contribute equal number of electrons. For example, here is a molecule of hydrogen and a molecule of hydrogen, each atom shared only a single electron. That means this hydrogen share this electron and this hydrogen share this electron for completion their outermost shell. And second example is oxygen molecule. An oxygen molecule, each atom of oxygen have shared only 2 electrons. In this molecule, each atom have shared only 2 electrons. This atom shared 2 electrons and this atom also shared 2 electrons for completion of their outermost shell. You know, in outermost shell 8 electrons are present. So for the completion of outermost shell, they shared the electrons with each other. Here is an example of nitrogen. In nitrogen, 3 pair of electrons are shared. That means each atom of nitrogen has shared 3 electrons with one another. That means in nitrogen molecule, each atom has shared 3 electrons for completion their outermost shell. Types of covalent bond. There are 3 types of covalent bond: single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond. In single covalent bond, one pair of electron is shared by the bonded atoms in which each atom has to share only one electron. This is a example of water molecule. And water molecule, 2 atoms of hydrogen shared the electron with oxygen. And second example is hydrogen molecule. In hydrogen molecule, each atom has shared only one electron with another. And chlorine also share one electron for completion of its outermost shell. Double covalent bond. In double covalent bond, only two pair of electrons are shared by the bonded atoms, in which each atom has to share two electrons. For example, an oxygen molecule, each atom of oxygen have shared two electrons. That means both atoms shared two pair of electrons for completion their outermost shell. Triple covalent bond. And triple covalent bond, three pair of electrons are shared by the bonded atoms, in which each atom has to share their three electrons for completion of their outermost shell. This is the example of nitrogen molecule. And nitrogen molecule, each atom of nitrogen has shared three electrons with each other for completion their outermost shell. Tetravalency. Carbon is a tetravalent. It means carbon atom can combine with four atoms or radicals. Radicals means any atom which contain unpaired electron in its outermost shell. You know the valency of carbon is 4. That means carbon can combine with 4 different groups in which only single electron is present in its outermost shell. And in the hydrogen outermost shell only a single electron is present. That's why it bonded with carbon atom. Catenation. You know the carbon has a high catenation power. So what is catenation? Self linkage of an atom is known as catenation, or linking of atoms of same element to form a long chain for stable. Carbon atoms combine mutually to become stable, and carbon make the linear chain, branch chain or ring chain for the stable. These are the examples of linear chains and branch chain and ring chain. It means carbon can combine with an ring chain or linear chain or branch chain. So dear student, this was about today. If you have any question, any doubt or any problem, you may comment on comment box. Khuda Hafiz. Wassalam.